Hi, my name is Surya Narayana. Today I'm teaching Hibernate. It is an ORM framework. So in Hibernate, ORM framework is Hibernate. Hibernate ORM stands for Object Relation Mapping, Object Relation Modeling, or Object Relation Management. So the main purpose of Hibernate is to know how to map the Java objects to the entities or records in the table. So for that, we need to map the job into the table. So today we'll see the introduction on ORM. So in order to understand the evolution of ORM, before understanding the evolution of ORM, first of all, I'll take one small example prior to the ORM Hibernate. With JDBC, how we manage the relationship between objects. Let's consider department and employee, two entities, for example. Department is an entity that contains department number, department name, and location. So that is department data, department number, department name, and location. Along with department number, department name, and location, so the relation between department and employee is a one-to-many relationship. So in order to maintain one-to-many relationship in the department object, we should maintain a list of employee objects. So whenever department object contains list of employee objects, the relation will become one-to-many. And for that, we retrieve no parameter constructor, setter getter methods, equals hash code, those things, they're common. Constructor is also written as department number, department name, location, and employee list. Coming to the employee being, employee entity. In the employee entity, employee ID, employee name, salary, designation. And the employee to department is a many-to-one relationship. So how do we maintain many-to-one relationship? Is in employee, we'll maintain a department object. Again, no parameter constructor containing employee ID, employee name, salary, designation, and department object. Setter getter methods equals hash code to string are common. So once after the completion of writing department and employee, in order to persist this department and employees data into database, so we'll write one DAO. In the DAO, we'll write several methods like find department and employees by department number, find all departments and employees, find employee and departments by employee ID. Like that, we'll write three complex methods. So prior to this writing DAO, we'll create a table, three department and employee two tables. We'll insert sample data into department and employee tables as well. In the department 1, department 2, two departments are creating. One is training and second one is development. And in the employee 1, 2, 3 belongs to department 1 training. Employee 4, 5, 6 belongs to department 2 development department. So now we'll write a DAO to retrieve department and employees data from the database. So for that, what we'll do is in the department DAO, we'll get the database connection object via a factory method, dbcon.getCon. dbcon.getCon class might have been written before or after this DAO, or you can write your own department DAO, dbcon class also to get the connection object. Create statement, one statement, create one more connection, one more statement object, and implement one method. Find department and employees by department number. So in this, we want to find one department and is all employees based on department number as argument. So the method will take department number as argument. So here what I'm doing is I'm writing statement.execute query. Select star from department 1 where department number is equal to so and so. So what happens? Department number with 1 will be retrieved, 1 or 2, whatever it is. The department details will be retrieved. So in order to retrieve the data from the railset object, we need to pass railset object into rs.next and fetch and store the first department, the client requested department object into department object. Department number, department name, location, and currently employee list is null. Department object is created. Here we are executing one more statement at execute query. We are executing one more query. Select star for employee. Get all the employees from employee table where department number is called client requested department number. So here in the department, many employees exist, else it will come. Here we are creating one array list while rs.next to fetch multiple employees. Each record be stored in one employee object. Such all employee objects were added to a list, and that list is assigned to department's employee list. If condition while loop is closed and if condition is closed, return department object. So in order to fetch one department and department employees, we are almost writing 50 lines of code. So this is how complex writing code in JDBC is. So this we can reduce by hardly to 1 or 2 lines in Hibernate that we'll see in the we'll see in the next session.